Hi everyone, this video will show you how to answer question number 4 on your NRES 151 library exercise practice form. If we take a look at the practice form and at question number 4 tells you that a classmate told you about an article she read about the inbreeding rates of northern spotted owls, and the article was published in a 2018 issue of the AUK. You're interested in the article because it is a foundational article for the research you are doing on northern spotted owls. Using the journal's A to Z search tool from the library's homepage, find the article in this journal. And then according to the abstract, you need to answer a question. Inbreeding was most common in which geographic area of the Pacific Northwest of the United States? So the question is telling us to use a specific search tool called Journals A to Z. And that search tool you can use to search for specific journals by title in the library's collection. So let's go to the library homepage, and you can find the Journal A to Z search tool under the Search at UW search box on the library homepage. It's a hyperlinked title, so let's go ahead and click on Journals A to Z. And it takes you to the search box where we can search for the journal by title. Notice it's prompting you for the title of the journal. So we know from the question that the title of our journal is the AUK, so we're going to type that in and click on the search icon. Now again, we've generated a results list. Remember that the results are on the right-hand side typically, not always, but typically. And if we had some limiters, we could. In this case, we don't have any way to limit the list. It's only 5 results, so it shouldn't be too tough to evaluate. So if we look at the results, we can see the very first 2 journals on the list are titled the AUK. Notice the first one, the AUK, is available in our print collection, and you can see that by looking at the availability line, which tells you it's on the 2nd floor of the library in the bound collection of periodicals. We want to use the online format, so take a look at the second item. This is the AUK online. Again, it's the same journal, just in the online format. Now we know that we're looking for a 2018 issue in this journal. So we actually want to drill down to that issue, and we can do that by clicking on the View Journals Content hyperlink. This is going to take us out to that journal and tell us all the years that we have available to us. You can see here's a 2018, all the issues from the 2018 year, and from 2017 we have 4 issues, 2016 4 issues, and so on as you go back in time. We're looking for a 2018 article. Now there are 4 issues in the year 2018, and this very first one is the most recent issue, issue 4, volume 135 of 2018. You can see the full issue, you can look at the cover, you can look at the table of contents, which you might want to do. We're looking for an article that deals with the inbreeding rates of the northern spotted owl. And you can see that this first article is somewhat on target, actually very on target. You could go scroll down and look at all of the titles for all of the articles in that issue. Since this is the one that I likely want, I'm going to go ahead and click on the hyperlink title for that article. You can see that now it's searching that issue, looking for the full text, and it eventually takes us to that journal. Here's the AUK, it's published by Oxford. Here's the title of that article that we were looking at just a moment ago. Here's all of our author information. There are several authors. And here's our publication date. We're looking for the abstract, which is right here, and we can read that abstract to try to find the answer to the question. And again, the question is asking us, inbreeding was most common in which geographic area of the Pacific Northwest? And as you scroll or read down through the abstract, you can find the answer right here. Inbreeding was most common in the Washington Cascades, which is that geographic area we're looking for. And then it goes on to say where an estimated 15% of individuals are inbred. So that would be the answer to our question, the Washington Cascades. If you wanted the PDF of this article, you could click on the PDF icon and it should take you to the PDF format for that article, and you should also be able to find the abstract there. Again, here's the PDF format and here is the abstract. This video has shown you how to look for an article in a journal title using the journal titles A to Z list.